Once upon a time, in a small village, there was a young tomato named Tommy. Tommy had always been a happy and cheerful tomato, always eager to help his friends in any way he could. However, one day, something changed in Tommy's demeanor. He had become increasingly anxious and nervous, and his once vibrant red skin had faded to a pale pink. Tommy's friend, a wise old carrot named Carl, noticed the change in Tommy's behavior and approached him to see if he could help. "Tommy, my dear friend, what is bothering you?" Carl asked gently. Tommy looked at Carl with tears in his eyes and said, "I don't know, Carl. I just feel so sad and anxious all the time, and I don't know why." Carl thought for a moment and then asked Tommy, "Did anything happen recently that might have caused you to feel this way?" Tommy thought for a moment and then remembered something that had happened a few days ago. "Well, there was one incident. I was at the grocery store, and I saw a bottle of salad dressing on the shelf. When I saw it, I don't know why, but I just turned red, and I couldn't help it." Carl smiled knowingly and said, "Ah, I see. That explains everything. Tommy, my dear friend, you turned red because you saw the salad dressing. You have a crush on the salad dressing." Tommy was shocked. He had never heard of a tomato having a crush on salad dressing before. "But Carl, how is that possible? I'm a tomato, and salad dressing is just a condiment." Carl chuckled and replied, "Tommy, my dear friend, love knows no boundaries. It can happen between anyone or anything, no matter how different they are." Tommy was still a little unsure, but he trusted Carl's wisdom and advice. Over the next few days, he tried to overcome his anxiety and muster the courage to talk to the salad dressing. Every time he saw it, he turned bright red, and his heart started racing. One day, when Tommy was feeling particularly brave, he mustered up the courage to talk to the salad dressing. "Hi, salad dressing," he said, his voice trembling. The salad dressing looked down at him and smiled. "Hello there, Tommy. What can I do for you?" Tommy took a deep breath and said, "I just wanted to tell you that I think you're amazing. You make everything taste so much better, and I can't stop thinking about you." The salad dressing was surprised but flattered. "Well, thank you, Tommy. That's very sweet of you to say." Tommy felt a weight lifted off his shoulders, and he knew that he had finally found the courage to express his true feelings. He and the salad dressing started talking more and more, and before long, they had become good friends. Tommy was still a little embarrassed about his crush, but he knew that he had nothing to be ashamed of. Love was love, no matter how strange it might seem to others. From that day on, Tommy was back to his old self, and his red skin was once again vibrant and full of life. He had learned that sometimes, the things that make us different can also be the things that make us special. And for Tommy, it was his love for salad dressing that made him unique and wonderful in his own way.